Woven City, Japan. Woven City is a project initiated by Toyota Motor Corporation to create a futuristic, prototype city in Japan. The city is planned to be located at the base of Mount Fuji in Higashi-Fuji, near Tokyo. It aims to serve as a testing ground for emerging technologies related to mobility, sustainability, and urban living. The vision for Woven City is to create a fully connected ecosystem where autonomous vehicles, smart homes, artificial intelligence, robotics, and other technologies can be developed, tested, and refined in a real-world environment. The city is designed to be a living laboratory for exploring and showcasing innovative solutions for future urban living. The city will be equipped with an advanced network of sensors and data collection systems. This infrastructure will enable real-time monitoring of various aspects, such as energy usage, transportation flow, and environmental conditions, to optimize city operations and improve the quality of life for residents. Eko Atlantic City. Eko Atlantic City is a major real estate development project located in Lagos, Nigeria. It is a planned city being built on land reclaimed from the Atlantic Ocean. The project is aimed at addressing the challenges of overcrowding, congestion, and inadequate infrastructure in Lagos, which is one of the fastest-growing cities in the world. The project involves reclaiming land from the Atlantic Ocean using advanced engineering techniques, including the construction of a seawall to protect against erosion and tidal forces. Eko Atlantic City is designed to have modern infrastructure, including efficient transportation networks, reliable power supply, clean water, and advanced telecommunications systems. Eko Atlantic City incorporates sustainable practices such as green building designs, waste management systems, and renewable energy solutions to minimize its environmental impact. Telosa City, USA. Floating cities like Oceanix Busan, South Korea, and elongated cities like The Line, Saudi Arabia, are among the visions for the city of the future. In the USA, too, a futuristic project is now being planned, Telosa City. Billionaire Mark Lohr, an entrepreneur who does business with Walmart and Amazon, among others, wants to use part of his fortune for the city of the future. In total, the project is expected to cost about $400 billion $375 billion euros. Telosa City is to be built in the middle of the desert between Nevada, Arizona, and Utah. About 150,000 hectares of land are planned. According to Lohr, about 50,000 people will live in the city as early as 2030. Interested parties can already register their desire to live in Telosa. The name of the city comes from the Greek and means something like highest goal. This refers to both sustainability goals and the diversity of the population. No fossil fuel vehicles will be allowed in Telosa. Instead, the city should be easily manageable on foot or by public transport. Scooters, bicycles, and autonomous vehicles are also part of the plan. Gordie Howe International Bridge. The Gordie Howe International Bridge project is a once-in-a-generation undertaking that will provide much-needed transportation improvements at the busiest Canada-US commercial border crossing. Being delivered by Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority, this vital border crossing is for significant infrastructure projects in the bridge, 2 major ports of entry, POE, and a complex interchange connecting the I-75 in Michigan. Once complete, the bridge will be the longest cable-stayed bridge in North America and will set the record for longest composite steel and concrete cable-stayed bridge deck in the world. Its Canadian POE with border inspection facilities, tolling operations and maintenance facilities will be the largest along the Canada-US border, and the US POE will be one of the largest anywhere in North America. The Line Project. The Line Arabic is a linear smart city under construction in Saudi Arabia in Neom, Tabuk province, which is designed to have no cars, streets, or carbon emissions. The 170-kilometer-long, 110 miles city is part of Saudi Vision 2030 project, which Saudi Arabia claims will create around 460,000 jobs and add an estimated $48 billion to the country's GDP. The line is planned to be the first development of a $500 billion project in Neom. The city's plans anticipate a population of 9 million. Excavation work had started along the entire length of the project. The line is planned to be a 170-kilometer linear city that will house 9 million people. It will run from east to west across the Neom region. According to the developer, the city will consist of two parallel, 500-meter-high, linear skyscrapers standing 200 meters apart. The buildings will be clad with mirrored facades. Oxagon is planned as an octagon-shaped port city that will be built on the Red Sea at the far south of the Neom region. According to Neom's developer, the port and logistics hub will be the world's largest floating structure.